Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. So in this video we're going to talk a little bit about an experiment I did with the YouTube algorithm and the rather amusing results of that experiment. So I watch a fair bit of YouTube, other stuff, other interests, and one of the videos that came up in my feed one morning was this video by a channel called Post 10. I'll link to it down in the description. And what they do is they post videos of unblocking huge drains and watching the water all run away. And so I clicked on it. Well, one of these videos was recommended to me, and I clicked on this video to see what all the fuss was about. And it is quite interesting to watch how these, the drains being unclogged, and there is a sense of satisfaction when it finally, clears away. So we've got this drain outside our house, which is like a culvert. It's where a driveway goes into the road, and there's a bit of a covering to allow the rainwater to flow underneath. And it had been completely blocked for several months over the Australian winter, and the water came down the gutter in the road and backed up behind this blockage and then flowed onto the pavement or sidewalk, and then brought leaves and debris all the way down outside the front door of our house. So back in August I thought, right, I'm going to clean this because the council were useless at doing it. I'd asked them to do it and they didn't. So I thought, well, I'm going to do it myself. And then I had this idea, okay, well, I'm just going to take my GoPro with me and film the process of unblocking this drain, put it up on YouTube and see how well it performs. And literally I was holding the GoPro in my hand with one hand, holding a implement with the other hand to kind of poke the stuff out of the drain. And it was awful footage. I mean, really shocking quality. I mean, I didn't really worry about framing or audio. I didn't have any special audio, just, run and gun stuff. Anyway, so I put this video up on YouTube back in August. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And initially, its performance was fairly mediocre. I mean, average for the channel. It wasn't any worse than all the highly produced or, the quality, the kind of quality I try and put out on this channel. It was nowhere near that, but it still managed to keep up with all my other videos. And then I was looking at my analytics last night, and it showed the top 5 videos in the last 28 days. And the top video ahead of a Ferrari 612 Scaglietti review was unblocking my drain culvert. So it's quite funny in a way, but it also raises a whole bunch of questions about how videos are promoted or shown to users, what it is that gets a video noticed. And I enjoy making videos for YouTube, but I am looking to build my audience, but it is painfully slow. And I look at some of the videos by Post 10, for example, which is literally just an hour of unblocking a drain, and the guy has 6 million views on that video. And I just struggle to comprehend what else I can do to build my audience and get the algorithm to recommend my videos. All the guides, they say, if you want to build a YouTube channel, you've got to make your content really, high quality content. Just keep making high quality content. They always say, put a good description in, and always do a thumbnail, always do a custom thumbnail so that it shows what your video's about. And they talk about how you have to do the custom thumbnail, it's always good to have a human face, you know, show it large in the, because the algorithm picks that out and all that kind of stuff. And of course, for this culvert unblocking video, I did nothing of that. I just chose a frame that automatically was selected by the YouTube upload site. So I did everything wrong with that video. Basically everything I could have done wrong, I did wrong. But it was the top video on my entire channel for the last 28 days. And that's really galling. It's really galling. Because you think, well, what more can I do? What more can I do to try and get my videos seen by a wider audience? It's a real challenge. I mean, let's be honest here, YouTube is an incredibly difficult platform to break into, just because of the sheer volume of material that's being uploaded every second of every day of every year. It's phenomenal. The quantity of content that gets uploaded to YouTube is just mind-blowing. So my channel is not doing too bad. 4.3k subscribers, it's a lot more than many channels have got. But, you know, I'm hoping that I'm making really interesting and good quality content, and I spend a lot of time doing that, but it doesn't seem to, the algorithm doesn't seem to pick that up. And so a video of unblocking a drain is more popular than a classic V12 front engine Ferrari. So anyway, look, I'd be really interested to hear your comments. In particular, what is it that you think that my channel should be doing that it's not doing? What is it that draws you to watch a video on YouTube? Be really interested to know, because you know, I know what I like to watch. I like to watch you know, car reviews and kind of the stuff that I do. You know, I try and do what I like watching, but maybe that's not what most people like watching, and that might be the problem that I've got here. So would be really interested to hear in the comments what you think you would like to see on the channel, what kind of videos you'd like to see. Are you more interested in my own cars and what I'm doing with those, or are you more interested in the, you know, the reviews that I do with Old Timer? I'm off to do one right now, Mercedes 300 CE back from 1989, so that should be interesting. That video will be out later today as well. Yeah, just really keen to get some input, what you think the channel should be doing to kind of appeal to that broader audience. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I'd be interested to hear your comments. It's a very funny but also rather disappointing kind of statistic to see on my analytics, but it does, you know, open the opportunity for some thought about what content I should be trying to produce. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, do all the usual things, smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.